So why should someone care about your story? I usually go through all of your application. I pick two. I usually pick something different in form and shape, we could say. And then we brainstorm about possible audience ideas behind what's going on after that you complete your project and you have a final product. For me, it's not just about brainstorming about audiences, it's about trying to have ideas about how to connect with them. That's how I came up with the ideas of the title, connected stories from scripts to audiences. You go back in time to study also the international festival run and release strategy, advertising campaigns or press and stuff. That is a gold mine of information.